cool. Check. I'm looking in the mirror like, ooh, yes. Cause I'm a foreign insecure dude. Check. But she won't feel me and they won't like me. If I ain't in them J's or the brand new Nikes, let's stick deep on the side of my psyche. When it's all said and done, even I don't like me. He lives in the gym and his hands stay faded. Late mama car so they think he made it. He's Christian, he gave his life, but he still ain't satisfied in the saving Christ. Still finds his identity in looks and cars. If he only knew that he ain't have to look so hard. If he looked at God, it may seem odd, but he be so satisfied he can leave the bar. I'm not the shoes I wear, I'm not the clothes I buy, I'm not the house I live in, I'm not the car I drive, I'm not the job I work. You can't define my word, but nothing on God's green earth. Identity is found in Christ, is found in Christ. How do I gain success? What do I say I'm blessed? Is it the car that I drive, or the place that I rest, or the way that I dress now? It's the cause of my pride, the stage and the set, or my face in the press now. It's the applause that dies when the praise is less, like my face is depressed now. It's cause my value of works and the volume of the work I produce and the proof and the proof. It's the prize and the curse of defined by the perks when the truth is through, it's through. Man, I won't feel like I don't wanna live no more. Cause they don't like me like they did in 04. So I swallow my pride, empowered by God, I'm complete in Him. He's got peace, God's peace I'm in His presence, we just strip, meet His kin, we just brethren, read dismissed, me forgiven, He's dismissed, killing my sin and I find my worth cause I'm Jesus' friend. I'm not the shoes I wear, I'm not the clothes I buy, I'm not the house I live in, I'm not the car I drive, I'm not the job I work. You can't define my word, but nothing on God's green earth. My identity is found in Christ, it's found in Christ. Toes, nails, is that her? Well, it's hard to tell, and she's so kicked up in all that makeup. It's like she's trying to make up for what she ain't, but Jesus saves her. So confused, cause she's been rejected by all these dudes. And tell her on the skeleton she's two, but that ain't true. If she only knew, in Christ she is loved, she's secure and accepted. Never be rejected by God who's elected her. Her beauty is a godliness, and she ain't gotta find it cause it's obvious. Identity is found in the God we trust. Any other identity will self-destruct. Our identity is found in the God we trust. Any other identity will self-destruct.